everybody, and welcome to the channel. So today we are going to do an unpackaging of something my husband ordered. So let's get into it. Goodness. Okay, it's like already open. Really? It's already open. This is a tire inflator for our vehicle, but I'm not sure how I feel because this kind of broke. And as you can see, this is why it broke. So, as you've seen, I opened it from here. This whole entire side right here is just wiped out, which is crazy. So I'm going to actually send them a message and show them some photos, see what they want to do, because this kind of scares me, knowing that it's open like this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.